Hi guys, my today's video is about the comment and note. It will tell you how you can put a note or a comment on your Excel page, so when another user is looking at your sheet or your workbook, they can find the note or the comment, and it is a good way to communicate with other users. So let's get started. Just select the cell where you want to put the comment. Click on the cell. For example, I want this one. Right click and then click on new comment, and now you can start conversation. You can say something like, please contact me if you have a question. Right? And then just press this green arrow and it will post the comment. Click on any cell and it will go away. So, and wherever the comment is, you will see a colored mark on this tab. So whenever you will go on the tab with the colored mark, the comment will open. And as you can see, there's also edit and delete options on the comment. If you press this, you can edit it. You can change something. You can change it and then close it. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it from here, delete thread, and the whole comment section will be deleted. So now you can see the colored part is also gone. That means it's completely deleted. There is no comment left here. If you want to add a note, do the same thing. Go on any tab, do the right click, click on new note, and you can do any note. You can type in your email, or you can do any instruction, whatever you want, and click on any tab, and you can see the red colored part is showing you that there is a note here. So it is a very good way to communicate with other users at your workplace, or in the schools. Like teachers want to share their workbooks with other teachers, they can put the notes very easily here. And if you are working and you want your co-worker to know, if you want to tell him or her something, this is the best way to communicate. Thank you. I hope you like the video.